USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Please provide the live broadcasting on television and I will get civil justice for all. Let me continue with ongoing live testimony of civil justice process displaying scandal of Vatican Satan teams, and to be in same page I am providing excellent supreme civil judge to be justice to be served to entire human kingdom, entire animal kingdom and entire plant kingdom worldwide. So just celebrate being aware evil satanic forces will be gone without a trace in ashes. As of today, January 2021, there must should never be any injustice of any variations or versions worldwide, and saddest reality is injustice is there, and that is why civil justice must be served now immediate, and I am providing excellent supreme civil justice to be signed off and closed today without any delay. So I only know what is justice and what is never justice. So I am that I am born to save the world from evil forces, and that is why all nations, USA nations, all governments worldwide handcuffed by me must be happiest that being handcuffed only by me. I am rock that is anchored in oceans, and be still and be known in wisdom of education. I am that I am born to save the world. There should never be any disturbances when I am providing complex task of providing civil justice sign of closure process. I don't know about my peers worldwide. I have blood cells, red color cells. So I do not like injustice, and I am not ashamed to say loudest I do not like injustice. Now, this testimony is about deadliest crime of Antichrist Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis created. Roman Egypt Empire crucifixion shame process mandate classification type Pope Francis, Satan created domestic violence type Pope Francis, Lucifer created accidents hell type tax mandate as in road accidents, airways accidents, railway accidents and oceans accidents, and any other form of forms and versions and variations of accident types worldwide in different versions and variations across the globe to mandate enforce torture to innocent civilians worldwide is a type of a deadliest republica Pope Francis Satan created code of abuse law, is a proof of deadliest Holocaust Nazism classifications worldwide as one of the gateways pathways to enforce tax mandate hell mandate in all nations across the globe with fatal negligence. So why Pope Francis created accidents of any types in the entire human kingdom, plant kingdom and animal kingdom? To create tax. Okay, everything boils up to, everything traces to tax hell. So there is good news is the root cause has been identified, right? So it is very easy for to provide the fix. However, the civil justice must be served, and for whatever damages that has been done to the entire human kingdom, medical finance compensation must be provided. Okay, and it will be provided. Okay, Pope Francis will get out of the earth and get into the volcano and be fried in ashes and be gone without a trace. And it is all according to the guidelines as in Holy Bible only. So nobody will ask anything, and everybody will be happiest about the death penalty assigned to the absolute monarchs. Okay, I am the mouthpiece for entire human kingdom. So I will also read the text that is displayed in the video clip for to be on the same page. Okay, and I own the text because that's what I'm reading out the civil justice sign off, right? Yeah. So I will continue with the civil justice. Okay, Pope Francis the Satan, excuse me, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created all man-made accidents. That can be any. You name any classification of accidents or subclassification of accidents, or it calls that post-trauma stress disorders. That's all comes under classifications, right? Or any classifications of accidents. Okay, and I will provide on a very high level, very commonly known to humans what are the accidents. So that's what I told. On a very umbrella level, it is a road accident, or airways accidents, railway accidents, and ocean accidents. Okay, so civil justice is Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created all man-made accidents in human kingdom, animal kingdom, and plant kingdom. So what is the wisdom? Pope Francis is the Holy Highness. Pope Francis is the God of USA. Pope Francis is the perfect Republica, right? And Pope Francis is also absolute monarch. He's jumped from the directly from the heaven, and he's also having absolute rights of God, right? So that means, don't you all think that there should never be any man-made accidents in the earth as of today? So that is the wisdom. And it is an absolute fireproof why absolute monarchs are the Satans in the earth. And I'm going to provide the proof of more accidents so that all the national government leaders and all the national government world, entire population is going to puke and puke and puke, right? Don't you all know what is puking? You will see how people will start puking when I'm going to read the civil justice sign off. Even President Joe Biden will start to puke, because I am absolutely positive he is going to sign off resignation any second. Because the scandal of the provided by the absolute monarch is deadliest. He just cannot be president. That is the reality, right? It's all according to the human Bible standards only. I am providing the civil justice. Okay. Here, what more type of accidents did he created? He could have stopped at least with one kind of man-made accidents, right? But he did not. The Pope Francis, Satan, is so evil, right? He's so cruel, he's so brutal. He never even stopped with just one accident. Okay, let the nations have only road accidents. At least tax coming from that can be enough for me. He never stopped with that, right? So that means he is having fanatic love of what? Dollars. Fanatic love of crown is separate crime, and he's having fanatic love of dollars that rightfully belongs to only the civilians, right? So how much more can he be so cunning? Do you all want to know? Okay, he did not stop with creating road accident. He created more. So Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created road accidents. Tell me how President Joe Biden is going to provide the medical compensation. We all know the accident creates what? It creates lot of damages. It creates death, right, to the fellow mankind abruptly, all of a sudden, right? And then because of death, what happens? People will become either widows or widowers one side, and because of death, the other version is also called divorce, right? That's why I wanted to provide a separate civil justice for that. See, the medical finance claims billings is increasing day by day because with my civil justice sign off alone. He is going to, President Joe Biden is going to faint and just pass out. Because how on the earth he is going to sign off medical compensation for each and every single deadliest crime, and each and deadliest crime is how much? $500,000 trillion. Can USA go pay that much amount for each and every single crime and arrive at a grand total medical compensation and pay to each civilian times total population? Can you all understand how much destruction Pope Francis the Satan did? All for fanatic love of crown and all for fanatic love of dollars. So, Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created road accidents. Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created airways accidents. All for tax process. Okay, Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created railway accidents. Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created oceans accidents. Okay, and then Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist created financial disability. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer only created unemployment. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created career destructions for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created finance loss for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, the Satan, only created homeless for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, only created poverty for mankind, fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist, only created orphan for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist, only created refugee for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created divorce for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created widows for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created slavery for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created hatred for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created discrimination for fellow mankind. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive republic government for republic government to destroy USA government and all nations worldwide. Pope Francis the Antichrist, the Lucifer, only created abusive democrat government to destroy the national operations and worldwide. Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive Senate population. Pope Francis Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive president population. Pope Francis Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive vice president population. Pope Francis Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive GOP population. Pope Francis Lucifer only created abusive Congress population. Pope Francis Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive House of Representatives population. Pope Francis Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive governors population. Pope Francis Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive mayors population. Pope Francis Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created abusive private sectors population, as in Microsoft, Google, Apple, etc. Retails as in Walmart, Target, Costco, Amazon, etc. Then Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan Chase, Treasury, Federal Reserve Bank. Abusive public sectors as in Department of Child and Families, Department of Health and Services, then Department of Revenue Services, then Department of Justice, then Department of Treasury, then Department of Finance of any type, then abusive in-laws. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created abusive in-laws patients. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created abusive friends and neighbors and neighborhood populations in the earth. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created abusive entertainment media types. It can be anything, televisions, radios, anything. Then Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created toxic relationships. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created air pollution. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created natural disasters worldwide. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created Charles Darwin scandal to destroy the human brain nerves with an illusion that humans are created from monkeys when the humans are created by God. So that is the deadliest crime. So then Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Antichrist, only created Punnett Square scandal, and that was created exclusively to destroy the human cells of DNA and mRNA cell structure. To alternate those cell structure created by God, Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, only created Punnett Square. It is called as a genetic engineering. It's called as a genome. And then it is he who ordered the Pfizer and the Monsanto, all those people, to destroy the food and drugs regulations, created with all lethal side effects. Innocent civilians never knows any of the side effects. Without any awareness, they go to the grocery stores. They pay $100 to $150 at least minimum, or let's say $10. Everything they pay along with the tax, only to get the lethal food that's been injected with disastrous hormones and everything, that will create directly will create cancers and birth defects and infertility for fellow mankind without any awareness. And the food that people are eating are what? Milk, fruits, vegetables, meat, poultry. Everything has been it's all scandal. All enforced for only tax. Only for tax. Does he have any common sense, that foolish Pope Francis? No. He's so evil. And okay, if adults are eating the adulterated foods, then that is a separate crime. What if the children and younger generation are eating, and even their cell structures are even getting destroyed, all without any awareness? That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong, whatever absolute monarchs did to the innocent population. So each and every single medical drug, you name ibuprofen, or you name morphine, you name anything, everything is mandated with side effects, because indirectly it has to create destruction to the civilians. And what does civilians do? They do not have any awareness. They go, they pay money, $5, $10, $15 for the medical drugs, over-the-counter drugs, and they ingest those drugs, and those side effects is going to destroy each and every single cells level operations. And it's all created by Pope Francis. And why on the earth USA is allowing a deadliest evil Lucifer to live freely? Is there any, does USA have any common sense in the first place to allow absolute deadliest evil Lucifer, who have destroyed each and every single day-to-day life of fellow mankind? Fellow mankind are not living, they are all living, everybody got enslaved by the Pope. And who is at fault, and who is accountable, and who is responsible? United States of America. And then, can you all see why President Joe Biden has to resign immediately? He is going to say that he is going to resign any moment. There is no other go. For how long he can fool the population? He just cannot. He's frozen actually. He's handcuffed by me, the wisest woman in the earth. I am not a lawyer and he's a lawyer. And how on the earth he never fixed any of these broken services? He should have known that the grocery food, it's a basic essential. A civilian should never pay a tax on that. On top, tax is one crime, right? And then the foods are getting destroyed on purpose. It's been injected with intoxicated hormones and everything purposefully. They want people to ingest those toxic foods. That way, the cell structures level, they get destroyed. And innocent 300 millions of people, right? The Americans, they never know any of this scandal. Okay, leave out all the African, black skin or any other colored skin population, Asians, everybody. Okay, just quarantine that group alone and separate them. Then who are left? All the white skin European populations, right? Don't you all think that Queen of England of Elizabeth, who is ruling in United States of America, which is also an extended version of Europe, right? And Pope Francis, the Holy Highness, is also God of USA. He is ruling USA, right? I proved. Roman province Jesuits only, they have colonized USA in different 7 to 9 groups. And they are ruling USA as of today. Don't you all think, leave all the African Americans, okay, white people, they do not like African Americans. Let's have that, that's a basic thing, okay? Just group them out and just separate them. All the African Americans, all the colored skins, black skins, brown skins, yellow skins, green skins, whatever skin color you want to name it, you name it. Okay, whatever skin color available, those population, let's group and separate them altogether. And with the basic awareness that white skin people do not like them. Okay, just have it that way. Now come to that left out all the white skin population. Did Pope Francis and Queen of England Elizabeth did any good to them? Any? You all keep your God-given hands in your heart and tell, did Pope Francis or Queen of England, who is ruling United States of America as of today, who likes only white skin. Do you all know that Europeans name calls Asians and Africans as a slavery? You all know that N word, right? So they call them that way, and they call the Asians as D word, dogs, right? But however, don't you all think then at least for least minimum these absolute monarchs and the Queen of England who likes only white, oh, white skinned people are very holy, 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 very republic, republic, republic. They talk nice like that. Did they even bother to save their lives? No, right? They destroyed their lives even. So that means who is going to protect and save entire population of Europe nations, and including that 99% of German population, default means Russian population in United States of America? Only me. I already saved entire human kingdom life. Okay, entire human kingdom with the awareness. Do you all know? That just because I worked on poverty worldwide, poverty free earth, end of the year 2030 volunteer project, it's just because of my education alone. Yeah, the Agriculture Department of United States of America, Foods and Drugs Division of United States of America, they got slapped by me. I just slapped them. Do you know what they did? Immediately they listened to me, the very second. And today, each and every single civilian in United States of America go to the grocery store, you name and pick and select any food item. It is all labeled as what? Non-GMO project, non-GMO project, non-GMO verified, no hormones injected, everything clean, organic food. I saved innocent civilians' life without knowing what color they are. I never know how many 300 million people, what skin color they have, I don't know. But I saved each and every single human's life. When I walk into the grocery store, nobody knows that I only saved everybody's life. Do you all know that? Do you all know that? And that is how a civil justice will be provided and have to be provided. Civil justice have to be provided in an unbiased way. I closed the eyes and I provided civil justice. How many years did it take? Just few years. It's so fast. Fast as in robo. But how long the United States have been active? 500 long years. For 500 long years, each and every single civilian's life destroyed because the cell structures got destroyed. Nobody knew what they were eating in the grocery store foods. They were all eating toxic, including I am. And on top of that, each civilians were paying tax after tax after tax. People were thinking, oh, it is milk, gallon of milk. Oh, wow, like that. But then hormones was enforced and injected into that milk. And people were wondering why they are getting sick, why the people are getting allergic to the milk, like, and why people are getting infertility, why people are getting this disease, why people are getting cancers, why people are getting birth defects. Nobody knew. They were thinking they are drinking only the gallon of milk. They were thinking only they were eating healthy seafood or healthy poultry or healthy meat. But hormones have been injected to those innocent animals and plants. And can you all please, my fellow mankind, can you all understand the concerns which I have? It is the deadliest crime. President Joe Biden cannot, he definitely going to resign immediately. How he is going to pay for all the damages done to the brain nerves of fellow mankind? For how long this scandal have been going on? That means even before I provided the educated, even before it was provided with that non-GMO project, just because of my education, imagine that many years the people have gone to the groceries and eaten all those toxic foods. This is exclusive of excluding the medical drugs. That is a separate crime. They should not be shamelessly, the medical doctors should not even ask the civilians to pay costly dollars for the medical drugs. They are asking on top of that labor layer, tax by tax by tax. And how shamelessly the medical services, unpurposefully, they inject a tax in anything, right? When you are going to sit, there's a tax. When you are going to run, there's a tax. When you are going to cough, there is a tax. When you are going to talk, there's a tax. When you are going to sing, there's a tax. When you are going to, when you are going to dance here, there's a tax. When you are going to trash, there's a tax. When you're going to roll down on the road, there's a tax. You walk on the road, there's a tax. When there's a road, there's a tax. When there's a car, there's a tax. When there's a gasoline, there's a tax. When you're drinking water, there's a tax. When you're eating food, there's a tax. When you're spitting, there's a tax. When you're seeing the nature, there's a tax. When you go to the recreation facilities, there's a tax. Tax here, tax there, everywhere tax. And all the dollars every single day collected and thrown on the mouth of evil Queen of England and Pope Francis to eat every single day. Fanatic love of town is one side and fanatic love of dollars is another crime. Can you all see the destructions what they have done? And how on the earth President Joe Biden going to give an answer? I'm just slapping him left and right? And that is what a true soldier of God will do. Right? And I am the owner of USA. I will absolutely ask why, who gave authority to United States of America to mandate Monsanto or Bayer to destroy the plant kingdom and to destroy the animal kingdom with genetic modified foods, hormones, toxic hormones and toxic chemicals, thereby directly or indirectly ingesting those toxic foods to the humans to create birth defects, to create transgender, to create all this kind of disability. Why? So, absolutely President Joe Biden is going to resign any second is the truth. There is no escape from justice, right? There's no escape from justice. No. I already said President Joe Biden has to fall down on the knees and pray to God for forgiveness. God will never forgive him. That is a reality. That is the truth. People need to digest that. He cannot keep on talking sweet talks and just fool fellow mankind worldwide. No. Even for getting disease, people have to get money and get the disease. That is how the Pope Francis created the disease cycle. People have to walk, people have to spend gasoline, people have to drive and go to the grocery and get the food that is intoxicated. Can you see the scandal in an organized way? Even to get birth defects, civilians only have to pay the dollar to get the birth defects. Even to get cancer, people only have to pay dollars and tax and then get cancers. And then directly we run where? To the doctors, medical services. Because we are laymen. All the non-medical professions are laymen. They don't know any of the long medical terms. We get freaked out. When they're going to say, oh, there is cancer here, there is cancer there, you have to get into this surgery, you have to get into this lab test, everything cost and everything layer by layer, tax by tax. And if you accumulate the medical billing alone, only tax alone will be in $1 billion and $1 trillion. That is how much every single second medical services are earning in a day. Once again, billions of dollars just in medical billing revenue alone, tax revenue alone. Imagine how many innocent people are undergoing through cancer surgery and how many people are getting amputated because of their health issues like diabetes or other virus diseases. They are so evil. The medical services people are so evil. And they created the insurance services also in a scandal. right? So nobody knows what they have to do. They all been misguided. Even each, you name any insurance, everything broken in pieces. Each and every single software line of code is broken in pieces, right? When you're going to ask the MetLife, when you're going to ask Humana, or when you're going to ask United Health Group, or if you're going to ask American Life or American Family Insurance, they are all in a sealed out mode. They have to be in the jail only right now, because they have been providing wrongful, absolutely wrongful health insurance and any of the insurance products to the innocent civilians without knowing any awareness. They have been paying only tax after tax after tax. That's wrong. That is wrong. See, I displayed the total scandal of Hewlett Packard, Medicaid, Medicare, $1 trillion worth of scandal. Do you all know that Hewlett Packard should be only inside the jail as of today? Forever. Because the scandal they provided is deadliest. There is no excuse for whatever process they provided. So these are all types of the accidents only, right? Hewlett Packard is going to the Hewlett Packard's blenders must be already boiling, because being aware, they are been without any awareness fallen trap in the scandal of Vatican, and they got the curse. President Joe Biden cannot help Hewlett Packard. Hewlett Packard cannot help President Joe Biden, because both of them are handcuffed. Both of them are in the same boat. Both of them must be in the jail after all because of the crime. And President Joe Biden got all the crimes of all the other entire presidents in the list. Be it President Obama, who are they are the living presidents, right? So President Obama, President Jimmy Carter, President George W. Bush Jr., President Trump. The crime is deadliest. Nobody can escape this crime. Medical compensation, finance compensation should be in double quotes paid immediately without any delay. The Treasury should close their eyes and send all the $500,000 trillion every single day without asking. Tax agencies must be sealed and shut down forever. Right? And what more of the accidents did he create? Do you all want to know? Puke. It's okay, because people need to know the truth, right? As his form and the scandal of the Vatican. He created abusive in-laws. Okay, when all the other toxins are injected to the civilians, don't you all think, do we even need abusive in-laws to create more hell for civilians? That is not needed, right? So he only educated innocent civilians to be abusive in-laws. Abusive son-in-laws, abusive daughter-in-laws, abusive wives, abusive husbands, abusive moms, abusive dads, abusive brothers, abusive sisters, abusive relatives, abusive friends. Why? Why does innocent civilians even have to get tortured with these foolish people? And why on the earth Pope Francis have to create those kind of foolish people? All for tax. When he is going to create abusive patients, Pope Francis knows that there will be no peace. Right? So then what will happen? See, everyday nation population are fighting with each other. Regardless they are in homeland, regardless they are in household, regardless in warfront. So pay tax. Can you all see why every single thing, it's all only tracing to the tax? Can you all understand the scandal provided by Pope Francis? And all the curses is poured on President Joe Biden. I already said no, President Joe Biden should not be a president means there was a reason. I did not want him to get any more curses, any of the curses of Vatican. And because of President Joe Biden, who else got the curses? Everybody, even Vice President Kamala Harris also got the curse. Nobody can answer, because Vice President Kamala Harris, being a woman, is also who? A lawyer. Right? So then she should have at least bothered to fix all the broken things, but never fixed. Can you all see the scandal in a layer and a micro level layer? Okay, leave out President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. Okay, let's quarantine them. Okay, we all are aware that they never provided their task correctly, so they should not be in the government. Okay, now come back to the Republican government population: Republican GOP, Republican Senate, Republican Congress, Republican House of Representatives. How many people are there in 50 states? Not even one stood up and fixed any of this broken thing. So I will ask only all of them to go to the jail now. Right? Because the crime is deadly. It's because it is all emotional torture that Pope Francis and the Queen of England created, and nobody dared enough to stand up and slap the USA nation. And they were all living in a survival mode. Be it Senate or GOP leader or presidents or vice presidents, everybody in the survival mode. They were all getting to live in the luxury with highest salary paid, so they do not have to worry. So they have to provide it. They were enforced to provide always only a show. They were not allowed to tell whatever the truth. They were not allowed to reveal the truth to the population, because the population will freak out. Versus, I am the true leader. I am the true owner of USA, and I am educating the population because that is the rightful way. Next time any civilian walks into the grocery store, be it Target or Walmart, or doing online shopping with Amazon or anything, they all will remember, they all will thank me, they all will know, they all will shed tears of joy, being aware, oh, is this the lady? Is this the wisest woman in the earth who helped entire human kingdom with healthy public awareness? Is this why each food labels have been labeled with non-GMO project? Oh, how much of labor that would have taken for the agriculture department services to provide that. With a logo, with the write-up, everything is a labor. But USA nation never bothered to pay the salary to me. I should have got all the salary. Do you all know that? I am in absolutely finance crisis. I have to pay my monthly bills. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm praying to God that I get the rightful finance aid only from the USA government, because USA government is accountable and responsible to pay me the salary for whatever hard labor I worked on with. And I never got salary for that. Right? Amazon became richest only because of my education, and nobody knew. Even Walmart never knows that. Do you know why? Out of all the grocery stores, Amazon alone took out like a spider web, it took over the world. How? Because of my wisdom education only. And Amazon has to pay me the salary. Never paid. I never got paid. But Amazon got enough billions and trillions of fundings from the government because I only provided that tasks also. Amazon, JP Morgan Chase, Berkshire Hathaway, Microsoft, Apple, Google, they all got enough fundings from the government only because of my education. And I never got salary. I have to get the salary, right? Because I only provided all. So on the public end, public naked eyes, on the eyesight level, oh wow, Amazon became a giant. They never had a clue that it was only because of me Amazon is a giant today. I can easily seal and shut down Amazon immediately, right? Because I am just tolerant. I am absolute empath, right? And I am considerate, because dependent on that thing, Amazon only, how many people are working hard on being employed with Amazon, be it Amazon or Microsoft or any other media, television channels. I do not want to, see, I am so considerate when I am providing the civil justice. I want Amazon to live free because innocence identified. I want Apple, Microsoft and Google to live free because innocence is identified. That is all is needed for civil justice. Otherwise, everybody, I would seal and shut down all the software services and ask everybody to go to the jail. Okay, thank you for your services. Go get into the jail. Because I won't use, and I will absolutely ask Amazon why it destroyed retail services. Who gave authority to Amazon to destroy the retail services? I will ask. So, do you all know that how the retail operations even operate? Only on tax. So, tell me, if I am going to say to President Joe Biden, each and every single retail software service line of codes is wrong, because there should not be any tax. What is he going to do? Even if President Joe Biden is going to stand upside down and ask the Amazon software teams to rewrite, they will say, no, we cannot do that. Do you know why? Everything will get crashed. Everything. There is not, I already explained how difficult it is to fix the software lines of code. Everything has to be stopped. My solution is an affordable solution. You have that broken system, just be working on it as is mode. It is okay. Okay? But have a new, everything new starting from the scratch. And then the new government can be transitioned. Public will not even know how it got transitioned. All they will see is a new thing. Like how I provided the GMO project, non-GMO project, that is how I will guide. It's the same thing for Microsoft, Google, and Apple as well. They are all in a freaked out mode, handcuffed mode. They all need, absolutely, they have to be only in the jail. They cannot be living, active. And they are active only because I bailed them out. I only can bail them out. So USA have provided enough billions and trillions of dollars to all of them for the task which I have assigned to them already. And they fear me only. Software world feared me because I am going to ask the status report about on the task which I have assigned. I also gave them all the software world the deadline also. Right? So that means if I'm going to start the job now, I am almost, the task is almost at the close to the deadline level, and I have also given a grace time also. Okay, if it is 2 years period, take 1 more year, just finish the task. I already gave the task and they all know what task they are working on. And they fear me only. They do not fear President Joe Biden, or they do not fear any of the government population, because the software world, no, the government population don't know anything about software. Software don't know anything about the government. So it is like a colonization mode that Pope Francis destroyed everything. On the other end, I can be bridge. I can be bridge between the software world, I can be bridge between the government world, and I can explain and guide, hey, this is how the software design have to be, and this design have to be very simplest enough for any civilian to understand. And then this is how the government population should write the policy bill, right? Everything should be in an organized way. But then it is software world never don't know what they are doing. They fall into the trap. Entertainment services, they don't know what they are doing. They fall into the trap. They all got the luxury to live. That is the pattern of abuse. Pope Francis and the Queen of England indirectly says to the civilians, you live a sexually immoral life. Get all the luxury and provide torture to the fellow mankind. This is the slogan they provide. And entertainment world and the software world, they all fallen in trap. Because they are all dependent on their operations. And who funds their operations? Pope Francis funds the operation. Otherwise, if they are going to provide all healthy services, Pope Francis is going to shut down block all the fundings. And if the Pope Francis is going to block all the fundings, they cannot provide their government operations or the public sector operations or private sector operations, and directly it will impact only the employees. And directly it will impact the households. And directly it will impact the entire community, entire neighborhood, entire state, county, city, state, municipality, village, towns, then state by state, then nation by nation. Then continent by continent, everything got destroyed in an exponential increased way. Who is going to pay the damages done to the entire world? Tell me. And each crime has to be multiplied by $500,000 trillion means that is an absolute civil justice cert. Pope Francis should say he knows what is unemployment, or he should say he don't know what is unemployment. Right? Pope Francis, being a god of USA, should say he knows what is homeless, or he should say he don't know what is homeless, being a god of USA. Or Pope Francis, being a god of USA, should say he knows what is refugee, or he should say he don't know what is refugee. Got it? On the crime level. And either ways, a medical compensation of $500,000 trillion should be provided. Why? When Pope Francis is a god of USA, why on the earth there is a homeless? Why on the earth there is a refugee? Why on the earth there is an unemployment? Everything is a scandal. Even unemployment is also created only for tax. Employment is also created for tax. Education services is also created for tax. So everything for tax. Got it? People never knew. People thought, oh, we have to pay the tax for this. Oh, we have to pay the tax for that. Even the grocery retail giants leaders never knows that that should never be taxed. Presidents never know that never should be taxed. President Joe Biden, he might be starting to sign off only tax after tax, but that's wrong. See, he is going to resign now. He is in the handcuffed mode. If he is going to sign any more of the tax, he should be going to the jail only. Right? He cannot even say, oh no, President Joe Biden, I am the President Joe Biden, I am always a slave, and I am proudest to be, happiest to be slave of Pope Francis the Satan, the hell creator, the tax mandate, because I am getting all the luxury, I am getting the highest paid salary, then I am also getting to live in the White House, like the palace, and I am also getting to have Air Force One, the president's flight, like that. Who cares if the population gets tortured? That is what he will say. But that is not a leader is, right? So he will resign immediately, because I am the true leader. Because I am the one who's standing in front of 7.9 plus billions of humans, and I am the mouthpiece of entire human kingdom. I am just slapping on the face of President Joe Biden. Right? But I also said what? He is highest privileged president in entire president history, because President Trump got his slappings on his side when his administration, and President Obama also got slapped by me. Then President Joe Biden also got slapped by me. Same unbiased justice served. What more of a shame that President Joe Biden can get when I'm displaying all the deadliest crimes? Absolutely deadliest crimes. Without paying medical compensation immediately, less than 1 second to total population, President Joe Biden can never even dare to start the government, is the truth. I have all the birthright. I own USA. Without paying medical compensation to entire human kingdom, President Joe Biden cannot dare enough to start the new government. Do you know? That is, I am providing the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So, either President Joe Biden should say he knows Holy Bible, or President Joe Biden should say he don't know Holy Bible. Got it? Pope Francis should say he should know Holy Bible, or Pope Francis should say he don't know Holy Bible. So what more accidents they created? Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist also created abusive in-laws and abusive friends, abusive entertainment media types. Las Vegas, Sin City, right? They all come under that classification, umbrella types, right? I just said Las Vegas, Sin City for an umbrella. but there are lot more of adverse operations have been provided by entertainment media types, including televisions, radios, everything with the filth, right? That is wrong. And even for those, people have to pay to get the filth ingested on their brains to get destroyed. And it is all for tax after tax. So even to get infected with a disease, people have to pay the money to get into the disease mode without any awareness. And these scandals have been injected down to the movies level, even for the children movies level. Everywhere the toxins, the filthiness, everything got injected in an organized way. Innocent civilians never know anything. If they have to go to the movie theater, they have to pay minimum $25 for a family, right? And that's a scandal, tax. Oh, yearly, if you get a member pass, you can go this many times and they have to pay the tax. Okay, they are paying the tax, right? It's a hard-earned money. The blood, only they are paying the tax for the programs. Then they go and at least they have to have a basket of a popcorn or a pop, right? And excluded with other snacks. But these are the very common things I'm talking about. And then when they're going to watch the movies in the theater, they should have a nice seat, sleeper seat or whatever, then they have to watch. Then there is a clean, healthy enough categorized movies. But what if all the they are getting toxins. So they have to pay $25 for the pass. They have to pay at least another $25 to $15, $30 for the snacks alone, right? And then they have to get paid to get the toxins injected into their brain. They have to get the brain destroyed. Then that destroys the relationships. That cracks down the relationships in the households. And then the destructions happen. It can be divorce, it can be separation, it can be whatever. It can be anything. It can be backstabbing, it can be mocking, it can be bullying, right? Anything. You name it. Killing, shooting, slapping, hitting, punching, family feuds, family politics, right? Shaming, everything. And then they will run to hospital, right? Can you all see how the disease life cycle itself is a scandal and a scandal and a scandal and a scandal, all created in a spider web, all created in an organized and systematic way? Okay, if adults are very struggling with all these kind of toxins that is getting inside the brain, they don't know what to do. Even the media is a crap, and the media is providing all filthy. Movies are providing filthy, televisions providing filthy. All is toxin injections, domestic violence of injections. They inject to the brain nerve cells for innocent population, right? Then they didn't even bother that there are innocent younger children population, and they are also getting ingested with all these kinds of toxins. Who is going to pay for the damages? I am the mouthpiece for entire children population, entire younger generation population. I stand in front of them and I sure will get civil justice for each and every single child, count by count, worldwide. Who is going to pay for the damages? Who is going to pay for all the damages done to the innocent population? When they ingested in toxic genetic level, DNA cell structure level, hormones to the innocent animals, does even animals know that? Don't you all think the crime is deadliest? When a chicken in the poultry farm, how many chickens? It's just not one chicken, right? It is just huge. People love eating chicken fry, chicken nuggets, whatever you name it. Or if you're going to go into the beef steaks, this, that, right? But then the animals never able to talk. They never say to the doctors or the medical services, oh, please, medical services, do not, please, do not ingest toxins, because we are going to die anyways and we are going to provide the food for the fellow mankind. Please. They cannot talk. right? The same thing goes for the fruits and vegetables as well. If you're going to name any fruits, like an apple and the vegetables like carrots or spinach, they cannot talk to the medical services. Or medical services don't, no, 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 don't put that in the toxic hormones. We are going to become foods for the fellow mankind. Please do not do that. They cannot talk. Who is going to provide damages for innocent plant population and innocent animal population? Can you all see the crime level? Do you all also want to know what more of a deadliest scandal it is? Then people, they try to mock, oh, see, we are the meat eaters, right? And then there is another population saying, oh, see, we are the vegans, we are the holy, 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 we are the perfect, perfect, perfect. But they don't know that by destroying every single microsecond plants only, they are living, right? So if they are telling vegan, they should not eat any of the vegan plants, right? And they should not drink a gallon of milk, be it a nut milk or whatever milk, they should not be drinking. Then I will ask, why on the earth you are calling yourselves as vegan? If vegans are healthy, then why on the earth all these accidents are happening? Why there are abusive people here, right? So can you see the scandal? How the scandal is? So, among the meat eaters, there is a discrimination. Oh, we don't eat only pig. We just hate pig because in Old Testament and in I don't know about the Quran but see, when Holy Bible is itself is wrong, then I do not even have to go about that. I'll talk about all these things later. That's a separate crime. Pope Francis is going to answer for that. Okay, he's got handcuffed already. He's waiting for his death penalty, and President Joe Biden is going to resign any second. Right? So it tells that pig should not be consumed because it is sin. Right? But then, do you all know that why on the earth they are eating other meat? Chicken, beef, right? And other meat is also coming under the meat category. They should not be even eating other meats. But then, so can you all see the discrimination? It's all created only for tax purposes. Everything. Because the meat eaters and the pig eaters and the vegans, they all can fight every day. It's a discrimination, right? Then what happens? Out of that discrimination comes slavery and hatred and the killing with each other, fighting with each other, feuds with each other. To the extent, even the people who are in the vegan category population cannot even express their true love to the population among the meat eaters. They get destroyed, they get killed. It's all happening every single day. And all are innocent. And they never know any of the scandal behind. It's all created only for tax. Only for tax. Can you all imagine how on the basic humanity level this scandal has been ingested without any awareness? What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? Right? See, nobody can help President Joe Biden now. Not any of his family members cannot help because the curse is highest. He got the curse already. He should have been prevented from getting the curse. So, why then there is abusive in-laws? You all got the answers. Abusive in-laws are also created only for tax. Abusive friends are also created only for tax. Abusive entertainment media types is also created for tax. Then toxic relationships is also created for tax. Got it? Can you all trace on how innocent people, they get married and they end up in a toxic relationship and they get divorced? That is also for tax in a tax. That is called tax in a tax. Got it? So, getting married to the wrong humans is the umbrella. Then there are sub-layers of the deadliest crime which President Joe Biden will not want to hear about. He will only run away from United States of America. Oh, I do not want to live in US anymore. That is what he is going to say. Because the crime is so deadliest. Right? But I am just providing a guidance, President Joe Biden. Please resign. Please, for heaven's sake, resign. It is not shame. Just resign now. Please. I will step in and I will guide the USA of how to operate. Please, President Joe Biden. Please do not get any more curse from the Vatican. Please get out of the White House for the healthy human standard. That is what I am saying. That is what wisest people will educate a national leader. Right? And he got caught because he's a lawyer. The crime is increased exponentially. And then, did Pope Francis Satan even stop with that kind of abuse? No. He created a toxic relationship for the people to get in, enforced to be get into the toxic abusive marriage or toxic whatever type of relationship. Then, fallen in trap means they have to be enslaved in slavery forever until coffin. Right? I already provided all those classifications, but I do not want to go because it will take long time. I do not want to go. Then he created abusive in-laws, abusive friends, abusive entertainment media types. Then Pope Francis the Satan created toxic relationship. Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, created air pollution. People never know how the air pollution is created. It's created by all the vehicles. That means Honda, Toyota, Benz, Audi, Kia, Nissan, Ford, Chevy, Chrysler, GM, General Motors. All should be going to the jail only right now. Because they are providing the air pollution, carbon monoxide. Why? Pope Francis only educated them to create that way. All for what? Tax. On top of that, what civilians are doing? They are paying costly dollars for gasoline to fill up the gas. Right? To fill at least a 15 gallons or a 17 gallon tank, approximately a civilian has to pay anywhere. Okay, even if it is the minimum cheapest gasoline, it can be anywhere in the range of $30 to $50 or $60 the max or $70 for the gasoline. Right? And then top of it with tax. Can you all see the scandal of how on a micro level, on every single detail level, they created a systematic organized scandal and civilians never knew. They just get the bill, they say, $50 gasoline, okay, whatever. They never even get to see the tax that's added on. And that is how they created the scandal. And what is President Joe Biden going to do about that? Vehicles must be free for the civilians after all. Be it Benz or be it Rolls Royce, be it whatever the highest Porsche, or any affordable pricing like Ford, Toyota, Honda, right? Everything should be free for the fellow mankind. But when you go to the dealership, there is like what? Roughly, if you're going to get a car, it's going to be roughly $20,000. I'm talking about the minimum. Maximum can be anywhere you want to be. You can add it as a very costly, like 100,000, 150, like that. Okay. I'm talking about the minimum. Then, if you want to go into that van or SUV, it is anywhere between the $25,000 to $50,000 you want to put. The civilian have to put. And top of it, how much they have to add on? Tax. That is wrong. Wrongfully collected from the civilians for how long? Since the day the Ford was born. Henry Ford, right? I hope I am correct on that part. If it is wrong, please excuse me. Okay? I will address Ford founder. He is an immigrant from where? Ireland. Ireland is a slave to whom? Queen of England. So Queen of England educated Henry Ford what? Go to USA. Go destroy USA with a Ford. He destroyed USA. Without any awareness, people got tortured. People got fallen in trap. Henry Ford, being an Irish immigrant to USA, he's an illegal immigrant, right? He's never a owner or citizen of USA. Got it? He wanted to open another Ford plant in South America. He went there, provided total destruction there. And then he came to the USA. Why? For tax. And now where is the Ford? Do you all know where exactly is the automobile industry as of today? Do you all want to know? Do you all want to know? You all will shed only tears, my dear fellow mankind. Do you all want to know where exactly is a land of automobiles as of today? Do you all want to know? You name it. Be it Benz, be it Ford, be it Chrysler, be it Kia, be it Honda, be it Toyota, be it Nissan, be it Audi, be it Volkswagen. Then the Ram, the Dodge, do you all know where it is? In Tamil Nadu. Okay. That is one news for you all today, right? 300 millions of population in Americans, they never even knew. Okay, with my education alone, they would have known already, but most of them would have not have known, but I'm providing a life testimony. As of today, January 23rd of 2021, the land of automobile vehicles is where? Do you all know? Each American, the white-skinned American, who are extended European nation immigrants of USA, address themselves as citizens who are not even citizens, and they do not like what? Black skin or colored skin, versus the Asians are colored skins, brown skins, or whatever name you want to give it, right? They do not like what skin? Colored skins. Then what more is the fun in the scandal? Tax scandal, I would say. Tax fund scandal. It is these vehicles, each and every single Americans are riding on the road as of today. Be it truck, be it John Deere in agricultural thing, everything. It's all manufactured where? Tamil Nadu. Now tell me, what will a German will say? Look it to my face and say, when I'm standing in front of entire German population, I know 99.9% of the population of 300 million population in United States of America as of today are Germans. What are they going to say? Tell me. Do you all know that Germany is also handcuffed? That lady, the Germany leader, is also handcuffed by me already. Do you all know that? I already said all the national leaders are handcuffed. So it's not a joke that only President Joe Biden alone is handcuffed. So Germany cannot mock President Joe Biden. President Joe Biden cannot mock Germany leader. Can you all understand the real severity of the crime that's going on? Why entire national leaders are not in an happiest mode to even celebrate that moment of that USA election scandal? Because it's a scandal. That is what. That is the reason. They all got curse of Pope Francis. Then, what more of the accidents he created? Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, also created natural disasters. You name any natural disasters, be it wildfires, be it avalanche, be it snow blizzard, be it earthquake, be it flood, being a storm, being a cyclone, being a typhoon, right? Cyclone, storm, typhoon are one and the same. Each continent they call it different. That's it. Hurricane is also another word I would put it, right? Then flood, then fire accidents. All are created by Pope Francis for what? Tax mandate. You all might be laughing at me, my dear fellow mankind, but I am saying it is innocence that you are laughing at. I am talking the truth. You all can mock at me and say, hey, how on the earth you can even say that Pope Francis only created natural disasters? That is stupid, right? That is really weird. How on the earth Pope Francis can create natural disasters? Am I fool or what? That is what all people will think, right? Or even being angry at me for I'm slapping all the national leaders, entire governments, but that's okay. I know the truth, and that is the truth. Pope Francis only created natural disasters. Either Pope Francis should say he knows cyclone, or Pope Francis should say he don't know what is a cyclone. Why? Do you all know why these natural disasters are even being created at the first place? Do you all know? I know the reason. And that is why I'm saying Pope Francis will get into the volcano only in Hawaii. Got it? He cannot escape. He cannot escape the death penalty. President Joe Biden will resign, and that is the honor he can get. I have been saying the same thing for President Trump also. So whoever would have been in the president mode, they would have got the same justice. So if President-elect Hillary Clinton was elected, I would have provided the same justice only. Or if Vice President Kamala Harris would have been a president, I would have said the same thing. Or Massachusetts leader Warren, if she would have become a president, I would have said the same thing. But they all knew that I am the wisest in the earth, and that's why they all backed off. Right? They all backed off from their presidential candidate processes only because of me. So tell me how on the earth President Joe Biden is going to provide all the billing, medical billing. $500,000 trillion times volcano. Volcano means not only volcano. That is not, you all, see, I'm educating volcano in Hawaii only, right? But there is volcano everywhere. All the nations have volcano. So that means that many $500,000 trillion have to be multiplied. And then arrive at a grand total of medical compensation. That is how Pope Francis have to pay to entire population. Then he also created what? Charles Darwin scandal. Pope Francis also created accident called Charles Darwin scandal. Do you all want to know what that scandal is all about? It directly damages the human brain, telling that humans are created by monkeys, animals, and the 98% of the brain of monkey and human brain is matching, so humans are created by monkeys. Now tell me, is Pope Francis a monkey or what? You all tell me. Or is Queen of England Elizabeth II is a monkey or what? You tell me. Can you all see the scandal they created? We all studied the Charles Darwin theory in the school, and that means imagine the brain damage level provided on the youngest generation, right? Whatever in the education facility all went vain, everything wrong. Christian education wrong, Christian schools wrong, private schools wrong, and people paid a lot of money and tax on the education services, and who is going to pay back the medical compensation for them? This Charles Darwin theory is wrong. It's crime. It's the deadliest accident. It's the deadliest domestic violence as a standalone. Nobody needs any explanation. So Pope Francis either should say he knows what is Charles Darwin theory, being a god of USA, or Pope Francis have to say he don't know. He have never heard about Charles Darwin of theory of USA. Either ways, $500,000 trillion must be paid. We got it? We all won the case here. We, entire human kingdom, the soldiers of God, you all are standing behind me, right? You all understood now that we all won the case. That means I won the case. And I won the civil justice. And I will surely get the medical compensation to the entire population in less than 1 minute. That means 60 seconds. I'm proving it every single day. It is not a joke. It is not a joke. Then what more he created? I know, please be patient that this session is going a little bit long, like 1 hour and 15 minutes or so. Just be patient, okay? Because we have to address all the crimes and get it done, okay? And I'm doing it as fast as way possible. Then Pope Francis, the Satan also created Punnett Square scandal. Do you know what Punnett Square is? When we people are in the school days, there is biology, and that teaches how the genome, how the genetics, how the genetic engineering is created to alternate the genetics of the human cells and plant cells and animal cells. And that is they took that as a baseline, as a foundation to create the genetically modified foods and drugs to destroy the human cells, to create more diseases like cancers of types and like that. Then Pope Francis the Satan also created GMO foods and medical drugs with lethal side effects. Then uranium-236. What on the earth President Joe Biden is going to say about uranium-236? Can I ask him to run all the way from United States of America White House all the way to Japan and see what is uranium-236 did to the Japanese people? I can do that because I own USA, right? Who on the earth gave authority for a USA leader to drop the uranium nuclear weapon on Japan? They cannot even say, oh no, we USA are ruled only by Queen of England. Oh, she's so sweet. And because that is why we are all living in so much luxury. And Pope Francis only talks sweetest talk. So that is why we dropped the nuclear weapon in Japan. No, they cannot tell that. They just cannot. And why on the earth Japanese? Do you all know why on the earth Japanese even created that disaster in the Pearl Harbor in Hawaii? Do you all know that? Pope Francis only did that, but nobody knew. USA thought it is Japan doing that havoc. They never even knew that there is a Lucifer who is sitting right on the nose of the USA government was only creating all this hell after hell after hell after hell after hell after hell. Japanese never knew. See, everybody got cunning in their own ways. Japanese is a cunning, France is cunning, Korea cunning. If you see the deadliest wars they provided, that itself displays how cunning they were. Chinese India war was deadliest ever. Do you all know? Do you all know that deadliest war ever was provided in India and untold to worldwide until I educated? It was deadliest, bloodiest war only provided in India. Why? All for scandal of this Pope Francis and the Queen of England. She destroyed every single thing. Peace of every single humans worldwide. So what medical compensation is President Joe Biden going to do? And for all the distractions they have done to each nation, what did they do? Do you all know why? Do you all know why and how Honda, Nissan, Kia is there in the United States of America? Do you all know why? Because it's a compensation. See, sorry, they cannot tell sorry. They cannot apologize to the Japan, right? Or to the Japanese people forever, right? But what they can do? Sorry, please forgive our mistakes, but we will provide healthy trading process. We will help you economic grow. That is how they only develop. The USA only helped the Japan, Korea, China, like that to grow. Because the destructions done to them was deadliest. And the Vietnam War was the deadliest. Cambodia War was deadliest. Everything was created for tax only. And people were running for life here and there, panic mode. They don't even know what they were doing because they were running very fast out of panic to get out of their country, to be on some safest place, only to find that USA is another prison after all. The entire continent. draw the border for entire diagram of USA nation, it's a prison. Everything is a prison. Whoever gets into the United States of America, boom, the day one they become lifetime slaves for Queen of England. And what more of accidents he created with a fatal negligence, war equipments. If he is a god, if Pope Francis is a god, why on the earth there needs to be a war equipments in the earth? If Queen of England is a god of USA, why there needs to be a war equipments? Then 100% of any or all types of diseases are also created by Pope Francis the Satan and the Antiphas, the Crucifer, all for tax. Each and every single diseases, be it mental disorders, being birth control, being birth defects, being cancers, being transgenders, being LGBTQ. LGBTQ means lesbians, gays, transgenders, polygamy, right? Then abusive relations of different types. Then domestic partners living together without getting married, living without getting pregnant out of wedlock. All was created only for tax. Tax after tax after tax after tax means imagine the collection of tax alone. Can you all see what if all these things have been eradicated, then there people would have been living only in heaven? So people got married in a wrong humans only for tax only. But people never knew. Innocent people never knew, without knowing, without having any awareness, only enforced and got married to the wrong humans worldwide. So that is why people who are in married status as of now are invalid. Their entire marriage is invalid and disqualified. Right? Only wises can understand my wisdom education of the crime and the damages done to the population. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer also created all natural disasters, anytime. Then global warming, then war crimes. What is Queen of England being a god of USA going to say whether she knows what is a war, British colonization, British wars? Or is she going to say she don't know what is London, don't know what is British, don't know what is England when being a Queen of England? Got it? Either way, $500,000 trillion must be paid, should be paid. So that is a different thing. But then, can you all see how the civil justice has been signed off perfectly, heaven way by me, and proved that I am the supreme chief civil judge of USA and for all nations? And then Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist only created slave ships. Oh my, slave ships. That means British Africa slave ships, British United Arab Emirates Islam leaders Africa slave ships. So tell me, what kind of a medical compensation is President Joe Biden going to do? He should only say he is going to resign any moment now. He does not fit to be a leader, right? Because for how long he had been in the government, for entire long time in the government period, he got how many hours? He had got how many minutes? Not even 1 minute, not even 1 hour, not even 1 second he bothered to provide fixation for all this broken stuff, right? He should have slapped Pope Francis. He should have slapped that evil Queen of England and asked them to get out of the USA, get in the volcano in Hawaii. He never do that. Why? Because eyes got blinded. He never knew. Sadly, the saddest part is national leaders never knew. So then they created, the Pope Francis the Satan also created slave ships and the British and Arab Africa slave ships, then British colonization. Tell me, is Pope Francis going to say he knows British colonization, being a god of USA, or is he going to say he don't know what is British and what is British colonization of USA or any nations being god of USA? We won the case, okay, my dear fellow mankind. Just be patient. Yes, it is very long. I think it is going 1 hour and close to 1 hour and 30 minutes, but please be patient. Just listen to this testimony. Please provide this live testimony telecasted, broadcasted worldwide, and I will get the civil justice for entire human kingdom in less than 1 second, okay? Just be patient. So, all created for what? All these accident types created for what? Only for tax. Got it? When there is a war between USA and Israel, fake Israel, then people are dying, right? That's the deadliest tax. Do you all know why war was created? It is only to destroy and kill all the youngest sons of each household in United States of America. So that means each and every European civilians only, right? Even in the military, even in the war front, only the white people get the highest honor and everything. They have to be in the front line in the wars. They have to fight. They have to get all the medals of everything. But at what cost? Death. So people on the household level, they were feeling proud. Oh, see, my son died in this World War One. Oh, see, my uncle died in this World War Two, Vietnam War, this, that. But they never knew the reality that it was created on a tax scandal process because of the Pope Francis and the Queen of England, Elizabeth II. The true king will never allow anybody to fight. Got it? A true king will stand and fight alone. That's why a true king stands out in the crowd. Everybody loves only true king. Everybody. Count by count. You name it. Even abusive population loves only true king. Because everybody worldwide knows a true king is a true king. Right? A true king always displays a true leadership. Excellent governance. Perfect. Flawless. That is how a leadership should be. It should be flawless. There should not be any flaw in providing civil justice. No, there's never an injustice in the civil justice at all. Always civil justice is perfect civil justice only. Only justice. Never, ever innocent is punished in a civil justice process. Never. Even the abusive patients is also only disciplined in the rightful wisdom ways alone. So that means there is never death penalty only in civil justice alone. Got it? There is never death penalty only in civil justice. And what on the earth President Trump is going to do about that? How many innocent people have been died with a death penalty signed by judges in USA in past 500 years? Oh, that is deadliest crime ever. Right? Can you all see the scandal and scandal after scandal? All created only for tax, all created only for fanatic love of crown, all created only for the fanatic that love of power, to abuse the power. Oh, see, I am the king. So, see, I am the absolute monarch. I can do anything. I can kill, I can destroy. Nobody will ask me. Right? So, for all these accidents, Pope Francis have to pay. And President Joe Biden got the curse. And then absolute monarchs, Pope Francis, Queen of England, and Elizabeth II must should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion per accident type times grand total finance compensation to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created all accidents types to mandate Helvetican Jesuits Code of Abuse Law. Then I, Vedapriya, Supreme, I, Vedapriya, this I'm adding on this word, okay? I am Vedapriya. I am the Supreme Civil Chief Judge for all nations, okay? And I should be the Supreme Civil Chief Judge of all nations as of now. USA should sign the job offer to me immediately and provide me the salary of at least $1 billion immediately, for I displayed all the crime of Vatican. I, in fact, eradicated COVID-19 plague by 90%. I would say 95%. Only 5% is left. Got it? Got it on how fastest and Rova I'm fixing, eradicating COVID-19, the plague? Celebrate that festival. All the people are going to remove the mask sooner. Maybe in another 15 days, I would say. That is fast as I'm providing all the things. Got it? I am the leader. I am the true leader. So, absolute monarchs, Pope Francis, Queen of England should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion per accident times grand total finance compensation to total population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created all accidents. So I, Vedapriya, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off for 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide as of January 23rd, 2021. Ongoing online education services, and online educating public awareness process, and birthright process, right? Then you all should know what is tort law, right? That tort law is the medical compensation must be provided whenever there is damages. So all these accidents which I explained to you all, it all created damages to the civilians, either on the physical damages or internal damages, and medical compensation must be considered for cost of pain and agony inflicted on per nerve, right? Total nerves of the brain nerve cells, then for human kingdom brain types, then animal kingdom brain types, then plant kingdom brain types, and emotional wastage and injury cost, and feelings wastage and injury cost, and each emotion measured in units of feelings damages cost. This is how much the Pope Francis have to pay. That is why, within quotes, civil justice sign off as of today, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, is President Joe Biden should resign immediately for failed in whatever job, right? Failed in president job. And then Pope Francis must resign immediately from Vatican. I should be the Vatican leader immediately. And above all, along with all the customized job offer which I provided, like I must be the global poverty medical director for all nations, to lead the DCF, DHS, DOJ, IRS, agriculture, military, etc. And along with that, I should be the supreme chief civil judge of USA and all nations. Then I should be the supreme chief family law judge for all nations, right? And then I should be the interim leader of USA. I am the native Indian tribe. I am the true owner of USA. And above all, I want the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu to be renamed after my name. Okay, so I will sign off the civil justice as of now, and then I will continue with the more public awareness, and more civil justice needs to be provided, right? So I will keep on providing with the next section as a part 2. Okay, thank you all for your time, and please be patient. And yes, it is 1 hour and 32 seconds, the 32 minutes. So that is how it took. That is how long it took. But you all have to be happiest being aware of the deadliest crime and what that is going on, and that needs to be stopped. And medical compensation, finance compensation must be paid to entire human kingdom as the highest priority. Okay, and I already provided the same already in the President Trump's administration, but President Trump was not able to do it because of the roadblocks provided. Got it? I already provided a proposal to the President Trump with my wisdom education on how to provide the medical compensation as well to the entire human kingdom, at least $1 billion to each civilian times total population, but that was not provided because the roadblocks. But now again it is not going to be repeated, because President Joe Biden will resign, and I will get all the rightful medical compensation that we pay to the entire human kingdom. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.